Welcome to our comprehensive guide on administering insulin using a single-use pen needle. Before giving the medication, keep the following things on the table: an insulin pen, a new pen needle, alcohol swabs, and a sharps container. Clean the rubber seal at the end of the pen cartridge holder with an alcohol swab. Remove the paper seal from the new pen needle carefully. Push the needle straight onto the pen and twist it until tightly attached. Take off the outer needle cap, don't throw it away. You will need it later to safely remove the needle from the pen. Adjust the required dose in the insulin pen. Remove the inner protective cap, be careful not to bend the needle. Select a preferred area on your body to inject the insulin, such as your abdomen, upper outer arms, buttocks, or upper outer thighs. Insert the needle at a straight angle into the selected area to administer the insulin. Keep the needle inserted in your skin for a few seconds to ensure complete insulin delivery. Then withdraw the needle from the skin. Place the outer protective cap on the needle and gently insert the needle into the cap. Once the needle is covered, carefully secure the needle cover by tightening it. Hold the pen firmly and slowly unscrew the needle from the pen. Immediately discard the pen needle in a sharps container designed for medical waste. Know more about single-use insulin pen needles at hmdhealthcare.com.